In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add table in Google Forms questions. This simple process can enhance your form by presenting structured information in a clear and visual way. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Drive. This is where all your files and documents are stored and where you can create new Google Forms. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the New button in the top left corner. Click on it, then select Google Forms and choose Blank Form to start from scratch. After the blank form opens, give it a name by clicking on Untitled Form at the top. Enter a title that clearly describes the purpose of your form so respondents know what it's about. Next, add a question. On the right-hand side, you'll see a toolbar with different options. Click Add Question and type in your question. Since Google Forms does not support true tables directly inside questions, we'll use an image-based method to display a table. Now, open Google Sheets and either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Arrange your data into rows and columns to form a table. Once your table is ready, use a screenshot or snipping tool to capture the table and save the image to your computer. Go back to your Google form. Below your question, click the Add Image option. Upload the table image you just saved by clicking Browse and selecting the file from your computer. After inserting the image, you can adjust its alignment. Click the three dots on the image and choose Center Align or another option to make it look neat and professional. Finally, when everything looks good, click Send to share or publish your form, depending on your needs. That's it! You've successfully added a table to a Google Forms question using an image, making your form clearer and more visually organized for respondents.